Hey everyone, the OnePlus Nord 4 is an alluring smartphone that combines powerful performance, elegant software, and high-end design. Its strong aluminum body, which improves durability and gives it a high-end feel, makes it stand out from the first glance. While some color selections keep a smooth and sophisticated appearance, laser engraving gives some variations a distinctive touch. Refined look is further enhanced by the addition of tiny antenna lines and a glass insert for NFC positioning close to the cameras. Nord 4 is comfortable to hold, even though its materials make it a little slick. Alert slider on the left edge, which enables users to swiftly choose between sound styles, is one of its most notable features. Notification that shows up around the front camera area when the slider is moved is a little but helpful software touch. In order to reduce distractions, the volume bar has also been engineered to transform into a thin ribbon when it is adjusted more than one step. These minor improvements show how much OnePlus cares about the user experience. The gadget has a 6.7-inch fluid AMOLED screen with outstanding peak brightness, HDR10+ compatibility, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Customizable color profiles, a night mode for less eye strain, and a flicker-free experience further improve the display, making it perfect for gaming and content consumption. Snapdragon 7 plus Gen 3 CPU, 16 gigs LPDDR, 5x RAM, and 512 gigs UFS 4.0 storage power OnePlus Nord 4's performance. High-end gaming performance and seamless multitasking are guaranteed by this combination. Even with prolonged use, the aluminum chassis effectively dissipates heat, preventing the processor from throttling too much under heavy load. Oxygen OS 15.5, which is based on the most recent version Android, powers software experience. One of Oxygen OS's main advantages is customization, which lets users greatly alter their experience. An easy-to-use gesture mechanism, fluid animations, and folder expansions are all supported on the home screen. With a single swipe, an accessibility feature makes icons closer for people with tiny hands. Advanced split screen and floating window options make multitasking a breeze. Split screen mode may be accessed with a quick 3-finger swipe, and a pop-up window feature facilitates rapid interactions with apps that are minimized. Other features include a quick optical fingerprint scanner beneath the screen and an infrared transmitter that makes the phone a universal control. There are certain trade-offs too, such IP65 water resistance, which means it can withstand splashes but shouldn't be submerged. Although the generous 512 GB capacity should be more than enough for the majority of users, lack of 3.5mm headphone connection and expandable storage may be disadvantages for some. The IR Blaster is a useful feature because it works with a variety of household gadgets. While Notepad with AI-powered formatting skills boosts productivity, the Gallery app provides a wealth of photo and video management functions. So OnePlus Nord 4 is a well-rounded smartphone that effectively provides a high-end experience without going above flagship prices. It stands out as one of the greatest choices in its category thanks to its sophisticated appearance, powerful performance, high refresh display, and extensive software customization. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.